Hi guys, welcome to the Dred Effects Custom Paint Beginners Classes. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my beginners classes. The first thing you look for when you're starting out and you're going into this airbrush journey is you're looking for an airbrush, and the first thing everybody does is they pick their phone up or their tablet or their laptop and they look for an airbrush because they want to get into this. They've seen loads of videos on YouTube and think, yeah, I can do this, let's grab an airbrush. So you click on eBay or you click on Amazon and you get absolutely bombarded with pages and pages of airbrushes. You sit there scratching your head thinking, I've got a budget in mind, I've got a budget, and you opt for the £20 airbrush that probably comes from China or wherever, and it turns up the next day in a cheap box. You get it and it is cheap, guys. So put the tablet down. Don't go down that route. Stay tuned on this channel and I'll push you in the right direction for the brush that I would recommend for the beginner if you want to jump into these classes with me. And I'm going to steer you towards the Griot's range, and it's the PS270. The reason why I've chose this brush, I could have chose Iwata, Harder and Steenbeck and a few other brands, but I've opted for this one for my personal choice and personal use of this brush is that it's great value for money. You are getting a 0.2 needle and nozzle setup, so it is a nice user-friendly brush for getting paint down. You can get super fine detail down with this brush as well, so when you move on to your advanced levels, this brush can go along your journey with you and it'll perform perfectly. So this is the brush, guys, that I am grabbing you towards if you're a beginner. As I say, it's a 0.2. This is a double action airbrush. If you don't know what a double action airbrush is, that's your trigger on the front. You press down and pull back and that would get your paint and air out. A single action, when you see on some of these adverts on eBay, Amazon, you'll get double action, you'll get single action, and you think, oh, which one shall I go for? Go for a double action because you've got more control with a double action. A single action is basically like an aerosol can where you press the lid and the paint comes out. That's basically what a single action airbrush is. The bonus with these brushes is you get a lot on it for your money, and some of the real high-end airbrushes don't have the features that this has. So this is a good rounded off package for what you get for the price. So for £116 you are getting a 0.2, you're getting a top cup airbrush, you get a lid on the top, which is brilliant. So if you fill it up with paint, you pop your lid on and you can move your airbrush around and you won't get any spilled paint on your carpet or anything like that wherever you're airbrushing. You get this piece to the front, which is a air adjust, and these work really, really well, guys. You can dial your air pressure in just here. To the back of the brush you get another dial here, so when you wind that all the way in, that stops your trigger. When you start to move that out, you get movement in the trigger and you can dial your trigger in to how much fluid you want to come out the front. You got your air cap to the front there, that unscrews and that exposes the needle to the front of the brush. So this is the PS270, guys. I would highly recommend it. I'll leave some links in the description below on where you can source this brush. I found the best prices are on this site that I'll leave the link in. So yeah, beginner's brush will move with you when you move up your advanced stages and you get further along in your journey. This brush will go with you all the way and will take you to them advanced levels, not a problem at all. So this is a little short video, guys, on my beginners class. Part 2 will move on to compressors, airlines, paints, cleaning products, all the things you need to get set up. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you can join me in part 2 of the classes. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, click that subscribe, press that notification so you don't miss out on more up and coming videos on Dred Custom Paint, and I'll see you in class number 2.